Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. I'm purchasing combo specially for lightning cable, C-type cable and DSLR as well. This video we will see unboxing and which types of product I'm receiving. So now do the unboxing. Cut the label. I just simply cut the sticker. This is the box. Inside we receive the stickers as well. We are here for you. Let's get in touch. Here, how to use, support, the website, all the information, those stickers you should use this one. Really nice. So many stickers they are providing, which you like accordingly you fix there. This is the tiny magic booklets. Here inside the box, packaging list, and that's it. So we just keep it here. Now this is our product. It's really nice, premium quality. Here, look at this USB-C, and this is the lightning. It's really nice quality. And apart from that, okay, here is the kit. Now box is empty. Inside the kit, what we receive, okay, this is the necklace. Oh, it's really nice quality necklace. Both are magnet. This pouch quality is also very nice. This one is a clip, two clip. Here is the DSLR. You should connect this one using DSLR. Here the charging cable, the USB A and C. Here is the air filter. Yes, you should connect this one and reduce some of the wind noise. We are receiving two of them. Now we just open here the product. And boom, it's really nice, compact. This is the specially for DSLR. Without removing this one you can't charge. First time you need to remove this one. And here the USB-C, you should charge very easily, but once you charge, use 40 hours continuously. It's really nice and very tiny. So look at this, the light is on here now is off. So this one is also on, the orange light, and here the whitish blue light little. How to turn it on? It's very easy. Press here, just only 1 second, and it's turn it on. Now I have C-type of, I have iPhone, so I should use this one, C to C, active noise cancellation, and rest of things I will show you. You should charge this one as well. We need to charge this one also. This is the lightning cable, lightning port, and this is the outside, not inside here. It's really tiny and compact device. So this is the unboxing video. Next video I will show you which types of voice you are receiving with the help of Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. Next video I will show you which types of voice you are receiving, and upcoming days I will provide you best comparison of Rode wireless microphone and Hollyland Lark M2 microphone, comparison between which one is good, price, voice and some other feature perspective. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.